Hello, children. How are you? I think everybody are fine and safe at home. Okay, let's see. Today, class, I'm going to teach you one of the story. Before going to the story, I'll show some pictures and you can learn about that. See, what are these? These are the water animals. What are the water animals? Which animals they are living in water? They are called the water animals. Which are the water animals? Whale, eel, seahorse, tortoise, starfish, dolphin, crocodile, octopus, shark, jellyfish. These are the water animals. Why I shown here these water animals? Do you know, children? You can guess one of the animal is there in that story. Can you guess which animal? Keep in mind. Let's see next picture. Here see wild animals. What are wild animals? The animals which they are living in forest, they are called the wild animals. Which animals are the wild animals? Here see fox, tiger, chimpanzee, squirrel, camel, possum, I think it is rat, lion, then porcupine. These are the wild animals. Can you guess which animal is in the story? One of the animal also is in the story. Okay, let's see. What is this? Tortoise. Yes, tortoise. This is not only the water animal, it can live in the water and on the land also. Again, it lives many years, more than 300 years ago. Do you know? Okay. Do you know, children? It can walk slowly. I think you are here, no? The hare and tortoise story. In that story, the hare runs fastly, but the tortoise it can walk slowly and wins the race. But today, not the hare and tortoise story. Then, which story can you guess? One of the wild animal? Fox. Okay, this is wild animal and even it's a very cunning animal. How is that? The fox and the tortoise. This is the story. How it is and what are their characters. That all we can learn in that story. Let's see. Here see the fox and the tortoise. This is the story and even lesson also. Here they are asking, name your best friend. Do you have friends? One of the best friend. Who is that best friend? Can you guess? I think you know. Do you have best friend? I also have my best friend. Yes. Will you share your things with your friend? Even toys, pencils, food, books, that all can you share with your best friend? Okay, yes, we always share things with our best friends. And even we can do many activities with our best friend. What? Playing games and again studying, going to the school and again watching TV. That all we can do with our best friend. Okay, let's see. Lesson. Here I am showing the lesson. Now I will teach you. You can also pronounce same like that. Once upon a time, There lived a tortoise and a fox in a large forest. They were close friends. The tortoise lived in a pond. The fox lived in a den in the middle of the forest. They spent a lot of time talking to each other. They loved to tell each other stories of other animals. The fox often went through the forest to a field nearby in search of food. He met many other animals in the forest. He always kept away from the lion, the tiger, the leopard, and the wolf. You see, children, once upon a time, that means once upon a time, there is one time, there lived a tortoise and a fox in a large forest. Once upon a time, there is one of the large forest. Large means it is a big forest. There lived a tortoise and a fox. A tortoise is a water and land animal. A fox is a wild animal. They were close friends. Close means it's a best friend or the good friend. The tortoise lived in a pond. The tortoise lived in a pond. It is water and land animal, no? I said no. So the tortoise living in the pond, but the fox lived in a den. The fox lived in a den. What is a den? A hole or a cave in which an animal lives. Like a tiger, lion, they are living in den, no? In the hills. So in that places the fox also lived. Where it is in the middle of the forest. Where is the den? It is middle of the forest. They spent a lot of time talking to each other. The tortoise and the fox, they both close friends, no? So always they are spending a time to talking each other, to talking each other. They love to tell each other stories of other animals. What they are talking? They are always talking to other stories of the other animals, like tiger, or the giraffe, or the elephant. Like that, other animal stories all they are talking. The fox often went through the forest to a field nearby in search of food. Often means many times. The fox many times it went to through the forest to a field. Why it going to the field? It's searching of the food. When it go to the searching of the food. So when it go to the searching of food, he met many other animals in the forest. When it go through the forest, he met many animals like a elephant, giraffe, even porcupine. Like that, other animals he met. He always kept away from the lion, the tiger, the leopard, and the wolf. See, the fox, he can meet other animals all, but it is always away from. It cannot talking with the lion, the tiger, the leopard, and the wolf. Why? Why the fox? It cannot talk with the lion, tiger, leopard, and the wolf. Let's see in the next class. What happened? Why it cannot talk with that animals? We can learn in the next day. Okay, children, this is today class. In this lesson, I'll tell some meanings and the opposites. Let's see the meanings. Close friends. What is close friends? That means good friends, or one of the meaning is there, even the best friends. The best friends are the good friends, always close. Den. What is a den? A hole or a cave in which an animal lives. Which animal lives in a cave, that is called the den. Often. Often mean many times. These are the meanings. Even you can read this and you can learn and keep in the mind. Next, opposites. Large. I said no, they are living in large forest. Large means big. So big opposite, small. So that's why the large opposite also small or little. Two types of opposites are there. Small, little. Love opposite hate. Friend opposite enemy. Near opposite far. Many opposite few or less. See, this is today class, children. I think you learned that story, The Fox and the Tortoise. There is some suspense. Next class, I'll teach that remain part. Okay, children. Bye.